How to remove sharing account on Instagram. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once in there, simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Then all you have to do is tap on the three lines at the top right and you will get to see the account center option available at the top. Now all you have to do is tap on the account center. Once you tap on it, tap on the profiles at the top and you will get to see all the connected profile in your Instagram. Now tap on the connected one, and once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the account you want to remove or all the other options available on your screen. Just make sure that you toggle off all the switches of sharing the post, sharing the story, and all, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.